The Golden Globe nomination snubs and shockers, plus a second round of interesting and unique gifts for your loved ones. That and more as Kababayan LA starts right now. This is America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos. And because we are in Los Angeles, we are so crazy about Hollywood. I know a lot of you woke up early this morning to find out the nomination list from the Golden Globes. And one person, actually two of our kababayans, I'm sure did that because they were up since 3 in the morning. They are the only two members of the Hollywood Foreign Press Association reporting to us every Thursdays. Here's sa Nepales Reports. Miss Janet Nepales, it's been a long day for you. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hello, Janelle. Gising na ako.
Ayan, oo nga. Let's talk about the nominations. How do these go about? Kayo as members, gaano kaaga ba kayo nagbobotohan para dito?
1 year namin ginagawa ito, Janelle, na nanonood kaming pelikula at saka mga TV shows. So, not in a particular area, year lang, kung hindi, the whole year. So, nagno-notes na kami for the whole year. Tapos, at the end of that, nakakakuha kami ng reminders list na tinatawag namin. Doon, nandun lahat yung mga films at TV shows na eligible. So, ma-imagine mo talagang makapalitong reminders list na to.
Right. So, it doesn't matter if the movie or the shows come out closer to the nominations or earlier or before that, right?
No.
Okay. All right. Now, but let's talk about the snubs and the shockers na tinatawag nila. No, a lot of Harry Potter fans were expecting something for Deathly Hallows Part 2 because, you know, it's a franchise's last. But what happened was there's nothing. So, no original score, no Best Motion Picture Drama, nothing?
Maganda nga itong pelikula na huli ng Harry Potter. Pero this year, talagang napakaraming magagandang mga pelikula. Talagang matindi ang labanan.
All right. What about the Muppets? Also went big time, but people are saying that they got robbed. No nomination, no Jason Segel, no, you know, things like that.
Yeah, so Muppets is entertaining na pelikula nga ito, pero yung mga strong contenders din, yung mga 50-50, The Artist, Bridesmaids, Midnight in Paris, My Week with Marilyn, talagang magaganda rin ang mga pelikulang ito. At yung nga, very close ang labanan.
And how strong of contenders are Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt? Because it seems like a shock na sumama itong dalawang to sa nomination.
Angelina, yung pelikula ni Angelina, nag-qualify yan sa rules namin kasi it was done in a foreign language, Bosnian. So, kaya nag-qualify as best sa category na Best Foreign Language Film. At pag pinanood mo yung In the Land of Blood and Honey, talagang mai-impress ka din, regardless of who directed it. Kasi itong mga reviews din ng mga critics, magaganda. At saka, pag pinanood mo to, Janelle, talagang mai-impress ka rin kay Angelina sa ginawa niya.
You know, Angelina, without a doubt, always impressive with her acting, no? Pero Brad Pitt also sa Moneyball?
Yeah, Brad Pitt, magaling din siya sa Moneyball, si Brad Pitt. Na-impress nga kami kasi pero dramatic din ang dating ni Brad Pitt dito. Talagang maganda ang performance niya.
Okay. What about Miss J, si Tom Hanks at si Sandra Bullock? Mukhang walang nakuhang nominations, but not only from the HFPA, also snubbed by the SAGs.
Yeah, kasi nga marami nga mga magagaling na performances ngayon, pero siguro kung ni-nominate namin si Tom at si Sandra, baka sasabihin ng mga critics na ni-nominate lang namin sila dahil sa star value nila. Pero si Gary Oldman, talaga dun sa Tinker, magaling din siya talaga at naka-land nga din siya ng very tough lang ang competition.
All right, can you tell us again when the Golden Globes will be happening? I think it's January 15. What's going to happen?
Yeah.
Some surprises?
January 15.
Okay.
And Ricky Gervais is coming back.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I know that you were up since kanina pa ng 3:00 ng madaling araw. So, matulog ka na. Good night.
Thank you, Janelle.
All right. Thank you so much. That was Janet Tepales, one of the only 2 members, Filipino members of the Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Catch her column sa bulletin or mb.com.ph. Dito naman po sa Kababayan LA, some gift suggestions for you if you're still shopping. Don't go away.